How to fix keyboard on Facebook Messenger app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you fix a keyboard issue on Facebook Messenger app. Now you could try these steps such as updating your Messenger application first thing first. So go to your Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Messenger and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Sometimes simple update can help you out to fix some temporary glitch. So you could go and update and check whether the issue has been solved or not. Similarly, what you could also do is you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So long press the Messenger application, go to this I button. After which you want to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete all of the data. Only if you're sure about it, then go ahead and press on it, or else just leave it as it is. Once you've done it so, and while you're on the same page, you could also go to permission and make sure to check whether you have disabled any sort of permissions or not. After you've done it so, check whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you could also try uninstalling the application or restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. You could also access the device's keyboard settings. Sometimes the issue might be on the device's keyboard as well. So go to settings and then you want to go to system. After which what you want to do is you want to go to language and input. Here you want to go to, after which you want to go to keyboards and go to on-screen keyboard. Now you could see these are your keyboards. So you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that you want to go to the next section, that is apps and notification. And once you go to this, go and click on see all apps and on the search box type in the keyboard or the default keyboard. Now in my case I have a Google board, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to go to storage and cache. Now click on clear cache as well as clear storage. However, this is going to delete the data, but you could go ahead and tap the OK button. After which you could also go to permissions and make sure that you have enabled such permissions. At the same time, you could also go ahead and force stop the application for a certain period of time, after which enable it, check whether the issue fixes or not. Or else if nothing seems to be working out, you could also update your Gboard. So go to Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Gboard and see whether the application needs to be updated or not. So click the update button if you have so, that should be able to fix it as well. So sometimes the issue might also occur due to internet connection or unstable internet connection. You could try checking your router, or maybe you could also try checking your internet connection. That could be able to solve the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix keyboard on Facebook Messenger app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.